Hello guys, welcome to Learn with Kwabena Sante. And in this tutorial, which would be the last tutorial on the playlist, by default, when Easy Worship is launched, we have the songs tab active. And what is the songs tab? For the songs tab, we have this search icon. So when the songs tab is activated, we have the list of songs, our title, our author, and the copyright. And also we have the search field. And for the search field, we can see a magnifier or a lens here with a drop arrow. So when you click on that arrow, we have these search options as any field, title, author, copyright, administrator, song number, and words. So the any field allows you to key in characters, or characters in which you key in goes through the entire song list, entire songs, to see if there's any matching keys. And with the title also, we search only by the title of the song, the author by the author of the song, copyright and administrator, song number, and words. With the song number, we have numbers for each songs, which I'll show you in our upcoming tutorials. And with the words, working similarly to that of any field, but most at times the preferable option which we use is the any field, because it will help you to search songs from any field. And when you click on the magnify icon, we see it displaying this form. This is by searching our songs with a song number, and this applies only to our tree songs, with the tree songs that we sing from our hymn books, the tree songs, the Christo Astorinium songs. That's the one it works with. So when we are searching for tree songs, example is our tree hymn 51 Enijida. We type 51 and then we see the song appearing. So for all the tree songs, we search by these options. And when we come here, we have all songs, which is all our songs that we have. And in my profile, I have only 793 songs. For the song select online, since we are not connected online, we wouldn't find any file. You see it display file not found. It may have been moved, edited, or deleted. And our collections also deals with the songs. And for our songs, we have a list of songs you can scroll through, and with the infield we can search any field, energy da. We see, though we see 85 songs, but it will definitely select, since it is done according to number. We see since we it has been selected, so you have to scroll through. That's the any field. So when I add 51 and type in energy da, we see it taking it up. Same applies to all songs. For our English songs, currently this profile was built using an already existing profile, and I modified it to suit my own. So you see some of the songs, the copyright was done by, the typeset was done by our brother Prince Ampofo from COC, Sunyani Central Church of Christ. And the song tabs offers the projector man when you sit behind your laptop to project. And to the scriptures also, we have the scripture tab. This is the scripture tab, and we have various versions: the HCSB, the King James version, now New King James version, and RVA. I have more collection here, and this is the versions that I have installed. Currently we are working on how to get the tree scripture and add to our database, and when it's due, I'll leave the link on my YouTube page, then we can add them to our scriptures. So when we want to search for a scripture, you see it's activated already. So we just type in the scripture name, the Bible name, the book name. So First Timothy 2 verse 2. You see, this is the quotation and it's highlighted. Then you click on go live to project the scripture. And we have the media tab, which contains our videos, our images, a feeds, DVD, and audio. So when we go to our root folder which contains our profiles, we see for a video folder which we add these videos there. We copy these videos there. So you just select and click on go live, and our video plays with our images. Also, we have a lot of images we can select from project. So during Lord's Supper, we just search for these videos or images and project. And feeds. Previously, we used to connect cameras to Easy Worship and do our streaming, but thanks to StreamYard, vMix, and OBS Studio, we no longer use this feature, but you may like to use it and it will help. And DVD, also audio. And our presentations, the presentations tab. You see, with these presentations, it contains presentation files, and these presentation files are not same as PowerPoint files. So when you want to project a presentation file, it projects behind Easy Worship. So when you click on to project a presentation file, it actually opens it in. This is a presentation file created in Easy Worship. But when you want to open a presentation file, which is a PowerPoint file imported, it opens in a PowerPoint format so that you'll be able to use the PowerPoint file and project. This is how it works. Since I'm not live now, you wouldn't see it here. But when I go live, you will see it loading to open our PowerPoint. Currently, there's an issue with Easy Worship to fuse in our PowerPoint files in Easy Worship and project. So you see, as I said earlier, since I went live, it has opened the PowerPoint file for us to project. You see, don't save. And to the themes tab, we have themes, the song theme, and as I said earlier in our previous tutorial, the theme is basically an image you select as your background, either for projection of songs, either for scripture presentation or PowerPoint or presentation files. So these themes are images or videos we select to project our songs onto, our scripture onto, and for our presentation files designing. So when you want to make a theme, so you just select here, right click, set as default song theme. And when you want to import an image into the themes tab, you just go to media, the images, right click on anyone and set copy to theme. So you select the theme of your choice. And with the themes also, you can search according to how you've named them. And friends, this is the end of the tutorial session on the playlist, how to use Easy Worship. In our upcoming tutorials on a different playlist, I'll show us how to adapt to certain tricks, certain tips and shortcuts to aid you project very well and to the glorification of the name of the Lord. Thanks for staying with me.